Today, I'm going to share 5 essential oils that can help you achieve longevity and enjoy genuinely deep, restorative sleep. These aren't just empty promises, these are solutions you'll truly feel working. We'll start with simple, accessible kitchen upgrades you can incorporate into your routine today. Then, we'll move on to options that many men notice within just a few weeks: steadier energy throughout the day, calmer nights, and brighter, more refreshed mornings. And finally, I've saved a real gem for the end. A small dark bottle with a big, time-honored reputation, its secret passed down through generations. No hype, just clear, straightforward guidance. I'll show you exactly what to use, how much, when to take it, and the smart precautions you should be aware of, so it fits seamlessly alongside your existing medications and daily routine. Make sure to stay until the very end. That last pick is the one men keep writing to me about, raving about the difference it's made. Let's start with oil number 5. Saw palmetto oil, your nighttime peacekeeper. Many men over 50 face a common problem: frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom that completely ruin their sleep. You finally fall asleep, only to be woken up an hour or two later by that familiar urge. This cycle repeats all night, and you wake up feeling exhausted. This is where saw palmetto oil comes in. Its main purpose is to support prostate health and promote normal urination. How it works? Simply put, the secret is in the healthy compounds found in the berries of the saw palmetto plant. As men age, the prostate gland can grow larger, which presses on the tube that carries urine. This can cause annoying symptoms like a weak stream, difficulty starting to go, and feeling like you never fully empty your bladder. Saw palmetto oil helps slow down the process that leads to prostate enlargement. This can ease the pressure on your urinary tube and help bring back normal urination patterns. This isn't just an old wives' tale. Scientists have been studying saw palmetto for years. Research has shown that extracts from it significantly improve urinary problems and urine flow compared to a placebo. Many men have confirmed that it leads to fewer nighttime awakenings and a stronger, more comfortable flow. So, how do you use it? The most effective way is through a standardized oil extract, which you'll typically find in capsule form. This ensures you're getting a consistent and potent dose. The clinically studied dosage is generally 320 milligrams per day. Many men find it easiest to split this into 2 doses, taking one 160 milligram capsule in the morning and another in the evening. It's best to take it with a meal to enhance absorption and minimize any potential for stomach upset. Remember, this isn't an overnight fix. You need to be consistent for at least 8 to 12 weeks to really gauge the benefits for yourself. Now for a quick question, have you ever tried saw palmetto, or has your doctor ever mentioned it? I'd be interested to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Before we move on to the next oil, if you're comfortable, please tap the like button. If it feels right, consider subscribing to receive more helpful health tips more easily. When you have a moment, please share the country you're watching from in the comments. It really helps show how many of us around the world truly care about our health, and it encourages others to join our community. Thank you. Moving on to oil number 4, pumpkin seed oil, the prostate's best friend. While saw palmetto acts like a targeted specialist, our 4th oil, pumpkin seed oil, is a fantastic all-around supporter. Think of it as daily nutritional maintenance for your prostate and urinary system. It's gentle, it's food-based, and it provides a broad spectrum of benefits. If you're looking for a simple, natural first step, this is often the perfect place to start. It addresses similar concerns as saw palmetto, but from a more nutritional angle. So what's inside this dark green oil that makes it so beneficial? It's packed with a powerful combination of nutrients, especially phytosterols, antioxidants like carotenoids, and essential minerals, most notably zinc. The phytosterols in pumpkin seed oil work in a way that complements saw palmetto, potentially helping to manage the effects of DHT on the prostate. But the real star here might be zinc. The prostate gland contains one of the highest concentrations of zinc in the entire male body, and it's absolutely crucial for its normal function. As men age, zinc levels can decline, and some studies have linked low zinc levels to prostate problems. By providing a natural source of this vital mineral, pumpkin seed oil helps ensure your prostate has the raw materials it needs to stay healthy. The evidence for pumpkin seed oil is quite compelling. A well-designed study from 2015, published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine, followed a group of men with BPH symptoms for a full year. One group received 320 milligrams of pumpkin seed oil daily, while the other received a placebo. After 12 months, the men taking the pumpkin seed oil reported a significant improvement in their International Prostate Symptom Score. In simpler terms, they experienced fewer symptoms and a better quality of life compared to the men who were taking the placebo. This shows its long-term value as a supportive daily habit. Adding this oil to your routine is incredibly easy. One of the best ways is to simply get a bottle of high-quality, cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil. Drizzle 1 teaspoon over a salad, mix it into a smoothie, or pour it over steamed vegetables after they're cooked. It has a rich, nutty flavor. The key is to avoid heating it, as high temperatures can damage the delicate fatty acids and reduce its benefits. If you prefer the convenience of capsules, you can find them in similar dosages to saw palmetto, typically around the 320 milligram mark per day. I'm curious, what's your favorite healthy oil to use in the kitchen for flavor? Share your go-to choice in the comments. All right, let's get to oil number 3. Extra virgin olive oil, the foundation of longevity. Now we're shifting gears from specific prostate support to the bigger picture: your heart, your arteries, and your overall longevity. You might think olive oil is too basic for a list like this, but you'd be mistaken. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is the undisputed cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is consistently linked to longer, healthier lives. For men over 50, a healthy cardiovascular system is the foundation for everything else, from energy levels to brain function to masculine vitality. The magic of extra virgin olive oil comes from two main components: its high content of monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, and its powerful antioxidants called polyphenols. The monounsaturated fats are fantastic for helping to maintain a healthy cholesterol profile, reducing levels of the bad LDL cholesterol while supporting the good HDL cholesterol. But the polyphenols, like oleocanthal, are the real heroes. They have potent anti-inflammatory effects throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of almost every age-related disease, including heart disease. These compounds also improve the function of the endothelium, which is the delicate lining of your blood vessels. A flexible and healthy endothelium means better blood flow, which is critical for maintaining healthy blood pressure and ensuring that oxygen and nutrients can get to every part of your body. The proof for olive oil's benefits is overwhelming and has been documented for decades. One of the landmark studies is the PREDIMED trial, which was published in the New England Journal of Medicine. In this large, long-term study, thousands of participants at high cardiovascular risk were assigned to a Mediterranean diet supplemented with either extra virgin olive oil or nuts, or a low-fat control diet. The results were so clear that the study was stopped early. The groups on the Mediterranean diet with extra virgin olive oil had a significantly lower risk of major cardiovascular events, like heart attack and stroke. This isn't just about small changes. It's about fundamentally reducing your risk of life-threatening conditions. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil is simple. The goal should be to make it your primary fat source. Aim for about 1.5 to 3 tablespoons per day. Use it to make salad dressings, drizzle it over cooked fish or chicken, or use it for low to medium heat sautéing. When you buy it, look for bottles that say extra virgin, cold pressed, and are stored in dark glass to protect the polyphenols from light. A good quality extra virgin olive oil will often have a slightly peppery or bitter finish. That's the oleocanthal, and it's a sign that you've got the good stuff. Coming in at number 2, sesame oil, the quiet blood pressure normalizer. Our number 2 oil is one that might surprise you. While olive oil is the king of the Mediterranean, sesame oil is a staple of Asian cuisine and has its own unique set of powerful health benefits, particularly for your cardiovascular system. If you're looking for another oil to rotate with your EVOO to support healthy blood pressure and provide a different spectrum of antioxidants, this is an excellent choice. It works in a slightly different but complementary way to olive oil. Sesame oil's health-promoting properties are largely attributed to two unique antioxidant compounds, sesamin and sesamol. These are part of a group of beneficial fibers called lignans. What do? They have been shown to help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which is essentially the damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. This antioxidant action is incredibly important for protecting your blood vessels from damage and inflammation. Furthermore, studies suggest that these compounds may help support healthy blood pressure by improving the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. The research backs this up. A notable study published in the Yale Journal of Biology and Medicine investigated the effects of sesame oil on patients with high blood pressure. Participants in the study replaced all other dietary oils with sesame oil for 45 days. The results were remarkable. The researchers found a significant drop in the participants' blood pressure, bringing it back down towards the normal range. They also saw improvements in their antioxidant status, showing that the oil was actively working to protect their bodies from oxidative stress. Using sesame oil is all about the right application. There are two main types, toasted and untoasted. Toasted sesame oil has a dark color and a very strong, nutty flavor, and it's best used as a finishing oil. A few drops drizzled over a stir-fry, soup, or noodle dish right before serving adds incredible flavor. The untoasted or cold-pressed version is lighter in color and flavor and can be used in salad dressings or for low-heat cooking, similar to how you might use extra virgin olive oil. Try using 1 to 2 teaspoons a day. You can easily alternate between olive oil and sesame oil to get a wider variety of beneficial compounds in your diet. And now for our number 1. Black seed oil, the ancient game changer. We've arrived at the number 1 spot. This is the one I called the ace up your sleeve. Black seed oil, which comes from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, is not just another healthy fat. This is a potent medicinal oil with a history stretching back thousands of years. It was so revered that it was found in the tomb of the Egyptian pharaoh Tutankhamun. It's known in some cultures as the seed of blessing. The reason it's our number 1 is because it's a powerful anti-inflammatory and metabolic booster that addresses many of the core issues men face after 50. The primary active compound in black seed oil is a powerhouse molecule called thymoquinone. This is what gives the oil most of its incredible therapeutic properties. Thymoquinone is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatory agents ever studied. As we discussed, chronic inflammation is the silent culprit behind so many health problems, from achy joints and stiff muscles to heart disease and metabolic issues. By directly combating inflammation at a cellular level, black seed oil helps to calm these processes down. Furthermore, it has been shown to support healthy blood sugar levels, improve lipid profiles by balancing cholesterol, and gently support healthy blood pressure. This combination of effects makes it a true multi-tool for metabolic health, which is the key to maintaining energy and vitality as you age. The scientific evidence for black seed oil is robust and growing every year. A 2016 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Hypertension reviewed multiple clinical trials and found that supplementation with Nigella sativa consistently resulted in a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Another systematic review from 2017, looking at its effects on blood lipids, concluded that it effectively lowered total cholesterol, the bad LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides. These aren't minor tweaks. They are significant shifts towards a healthier metabolic and cardiovascular profile. So, how do you take this potent oil? Because of its strong, peppery taste, many people prefer to take it in capsule form. A common dosage is around 500 milligrams, taken twice a day with meals. If you opt for the liquid oil, the typical dose is between 2 and 5 milliliters, which is about half a teaspoon to a full teaspoon per day. You can mix it with a bit of honey or juice to make it more palatable. It's best to start with a smaller dose to see how your body responds. It's important to note that because it can lower blood sugar and blood pressure, if you are currently taking medication for diabetes or hypertension, you should speak with your doctor before adding this to your regimen. Now, I'm curious to know, before this video, had you ever heard of black seed oil? Let me know in the comments. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, wait a minute, you're telling me to add 5 different oils to my diet. Won't that just lead to weight gain? That's a very smart and valid question. Don't worry, we're talking about strategic use, not drenching your food in oil. Here are 4 simple rules to follow to get all the benefits without the downside. Number 1, dosage. We are talking about teaspoons and tablespoons, not cups. Stick to the recommended daily amounts we discussed for each oil. A little goes a long way. Number 2, substitution, not addition. This is the most important rule. Use these healthy oils in place of less healthy fats you might already be using, like margarine, processed vegetable shortenings, or generic vegetable oils. Swap them out. Don't just add them on top. Number 3, quality over quantity. Always choose oils that are labeled as cold-pressed, extra virgin, or are a high-quality standardized extract. These versions are more nutrient-dense and potent, meaning you get more health benefits from a smaller amount. Number 4, balance. Remember that these oils are just one component of a healthy lifestyle. They work best when combined with a diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein, as well as regular physical activity. So, today we've explored much more than just a list of oils. We've talked about taking back control of your health with small, intelligent, and deliberate choices. It's about giving your body the specific tools it needs to maintain its strength, its vitality, and its comfort long after you turn 50. I'm not asking you to run out and buy all 5 of these oils today. That's overwhelming. Instead, just pick the one that spoke to your biggest personal health concern. Is it getting a full night's sleep without interruptions? Is it supporting your heart for the long haul? Or is it tackling that underlying inflammation? Choose just that one. Try it consistently for the next few weeks and simply observe how you feel. Which oil are you going to try first? Let me know your choice in the comments. And if this video gave you a new idea for your health or a sense of hope, just type the word vitality below. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications so we can continue this health journey together. Take care, stay strong, and be well. I'll see you in the next video.